Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9120E. This is a multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. It is perfect for small businesses. This will help to increase your productivity. This printer got automatic document feeder, and in terms of printing speed, up to 22 prints per minute for black, delivering crisp color and mono print. HP OfficeJet Pro 120E is filled with state-of-art smart features to make your printing seamlessly. It is compatible with HP Instant Ink service. It produces professional quality print with sharp black and white text at 22 prints per minute, vivid color at 18 prints per minute. Automatic double-sided printing and two-sided scanning let you work fast and hand-free. It's wireless print with built-in Wi-Fi. You can enjoy cloud-based printing or connect to your network and print from anywhere on your mobile device. Print your documents, email, photo, and more on the go with HP Smart App. Eliminate step in repetitive tasks using Smart Tags. You can scan to cloud, email, and more with just a single tap. You got up to 3 months of instant ink with this, but it's not compulsory, so you can also cancel the subscription. This printer is also with HP Wolf security. This printer uses ink cartridges 937. You can connect this printer also with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi network, and also with USB cable connection. So you have more options: paper size A4, A5, etc. And in terms of printing resolution, 4800 by 1200 dpi. Paper tray capacity up to 250 sheets of plain paper. Scanning resolution 1200 by 1200 dpi. This is made with 40% plastic. 2.7-inch colored touchscreen. Connect with Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet, VPN, low on paper sensor. So if you have low paper, it will alert you. This printer is also compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPoint, Apple iBeacon, Apple AirPrint, Windows 10, and letter. So we're going to unbox this stuff and check it out, see what is inside. I hope it helps you to make informed choice. So this is start guide, information pack. Ink cartridges. So if you want to carry this printer, you need to put your hand underneath here, lift it up. This is the paper tray. If you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris, and gently remove it. So this is the power cable here. At the back here, this is USB port covered with paper. Ethernet and fax port are here at the back. The power cable goes in here. So this is USB stick port for you to print from USB stick. So this is the automatic document feeder, ADF. So to set this printer up, take the power cable plug it on to the power. Plug it onto the power. Now if you bring out the paper tray, this paper tray, press to adjust it. So you need to press here to adjust it out and move it all the way to the end, or adjust it accordingly. Now you also need to bring this out to hold the particular paper. So you need to bring this up so that you can load particular number 10 paper and DL paper. So this is all the way A4, B5, so you can load various sizes of paper. There we go. So you can bring it out all the way, depending on particular paper you are using. And if you want to remove the cover, you need to press these buttons here, 2 buttons to the side for you to remove the cover. Want to put them back in, you need to slide it. If you want to remove them, press this button to the side to release the cover. Go back in again. How it goes. So this is LCD screen. You switch this printer on and off from this button. If you open up this printer, this is the glass scanner, flat bed scanner, and this is LCD screen. It's showing us the language, English, Espanol, Dutch. So you select your language. You have selected English as your language. Select confirm, then you touch it. Now you need to select your country, United Kingdom. Go to Setup Web. From the Quick Start Guide, scan the QR code or enter the URL to continue printer setup. This website provides instruction to install ink and load paper and install HP software. Now what we want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges. If you open up this printer, and the ink cartridges holder will position itself, is using 937. So you open up this cartridges. So 937 black, and this is 937 yellow, 937 magenta, and 937 cyan. So what you need to do is to install the ink. You need to take this, the black goes to the K. This part need to be at the bottom. Then you go in, push it inside, and it's in. Then the next on the list is yellow. So you take the ink, make sure this part go inside. Then you go in to the yellow, push it inside, and it's in. The next on the list is magenta. So this part need to go inside. So the red part need to be out. Go in, push it inside. The last but not the least is blue color. Go in, push it inside. If you want to remove the ink, you need to press it. To remove it, you need to push it inside and remove. So push once and remove, push and remove. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. If you want to put this back, you take the black color, go in, push it inside, then take the yellow, go in, push it. The next is red, go in and push it. The last but not the least is blue, push it. So this is how to install the ink. To make sure they are properly secure, so make sure they are not falling off. Then you close the printer. It asks you to check in the printer, please wait. Now the next process is for you to load paper tray. So open up the cover. bring out the paper tray. Now, depending on the paper you want to load, so if you bring this out, you have option for you to load A4, B5, etc. So the paper we have here is A4 paper. The paper loaded here is A4 paper. I just need to adjust it and go in. Now, so it's checking the paper. Paper successful loaded. Then you select OK. New HP ink cartridges, original HP ink installed. Select OK. Alignment needed. Alignment improve print quality. This process use ink and paper. Make sure that plain white paper is loaded so you can do alignment letter or align. So select align. Printing alignment. Printing alignment page. Then you see how many percent. Alignment printing page 100%. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to take this paper, place the original page to the scanner and then scan. So you take the alignment page printed out, open up the glass scanner and stick it on top of the glass scanner face down. So you take the paper, place it on top of the glass scanner, make sure it starts from this end, then close it. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select scan. Scanning alignment page. Print head alignment has been aligned successfully. Then you select OK. Return to the printer setup website for instruction to install HP's software. Note, see quick start guide for more information. This is the unboxing overview on how to install the ink and also complete alignment page. Thank you.